guys, let's go over your standard push-up. So this is great, it strengthens the muscles in the chest as well as the shoulders and even the triceps. So to perform these, if you haven't, then you'll be face down on the ground. You want your hands, full palm of your hands on the floor, just at shoulder width apart or maybe slightly wider. You're up on the balls of your feet. Notice that you're nice and rigid with your body maintaining a nice line. So from here, you want to move the elbows back towards your hips, lowering your chest and thighs to touch the ground at the same time. Body remains rigid before pressing back up to the starting position until arms are fully locked out. So big things we want to avoid in our push-up is number one, where the elbows go out like this. We want to feel as if our elbows are moving back towards our hips, staying nice and close to our body. And then we also want to avoid any sagging of the butt, okay? And also snaking up during the push-up, like that. When you're just starting out, a lot of times push-ups can be difficult. So what you can do, a nice alternative, is just start with knee push-ups. And that right there is your standard push-up.